Welcome to my channel Chubby Views. At present, Israelis and Arabs conflict is going on like a war, so we will know brief information about this conflict. History of Israeli-Palestinian conflict. The history of Israeli-Palestinian conflict began with the establishment of the State of Israel in 1948. This conflict came from the intercommunal violence in Mandatory Palestine between Israelis and Arabs from 1920 and erupted into full-scale hostilities in the 1947 to 1948 civil war. The conflict continues to the present day on various levels. Who are these Palestinians? Palestinians people or who now number more than 8 million live primarily in the Palestinian territory occupied by Israel since 1967, including East Jerusalem in Israel, in neighboring Arab states and in refugee camps in the region. Actually, what happened in the Israel and why this conflict came, here is the reason. It came after weeks of rising Israeli-Palestinian tension in East Jerusalem, culminated in clashes at a holy site, reversed by both Muslims and Jews. Hamas, the militant group that rules Gaza, began firing rockets after warning Israel to withdraw from the site. Israel used Iron Dome to protect their area. Iron Dome is a mobile all-weather air defense system developed by Rafael Advanced Defense System and Israel Aerospace Industries. According to Israeli officials, about 90% effective at blocking the short-range rocket commonly used by Hamas and other groups in the region. Here you can see the police has come to control the conflict between them. The scores of people have been injured in the clashes in the East Jerusalem between far-right Jewish activists and Palestinian and Israeli police. The worst fighting in days broke out on Thursday night after hundreds of Jewish extremists from the ultra-national Lehava group marched towards the Damascus Gate, entrance of Jerusalem's old city, where large number of Palestinians had gathered, chanting deaths to Arabs. Stones and bottles were thrown between two sides, and police used stun grenades, tear gas, and water cannon to try disperse the crowds. The Red Crescent said 100 Palestinians injured, and police officers said that 200 officers were hurt and 50 people were arrested. Police were unable to control the situation. Even there was a huge clashes between them. Even the vehicle was also on the fire. Police used the smoke gun to control the crowd. There were large number of Palestinians had gathered chanting death to Arabs, death to Arabs. Hamas were the first to attack Palestinians. However, Hamas quickly began attacks on Israelis' military targets and subsequently Israeli civilians. The Israeli army killed more than 1,000 Palestinians in the first Intifada released. 164 Israelis were killed. What did Israelis do to Palestinians is, Palestinians threw rocks, firecrackers and heavy objects, while Israeli police fired stun grenades, tear gas and rubber bullets at worshippers. The storming came ahead of a Jerusalem Day flag march by Jewish nationalists through the old city. At least 215 Palestinians were injured and 153 were hospitalized. This conflict did not end by this. it even moved to an aggressive way. Both sides have taken to airstrikes and rocket attacks in the conflict between Israel and Palestine. Both sides have taken to airstrikes and rocket attacks. On Tuesday evening, videos on social media showed rockets fired from Gaza being intercepted by the Israeli Iron Dome air defense system. It appeared that the rockets were hitting on invisible shield. Israel has now carried out hundreds of airstrikes in Gaza, and Hamas militants have fired heavy rockets barrages at Tel Aviv towards Jerusalem and at several southern Israeli cities. The Israel Defense Forces are also attacking Gaza from the ground but on the Israeli side of border.